I wrote a 90,000-word epic fantasy novel. It just went live on Amazon. Here's what it's about. A world where magic is unraveling, and only a fellowship of outcasts can stop it. 28 chapters, a prologue, Tolkien-style appendices, and a sequel hook. Dark fantasy crossover. Think Sanderson meets Early Martin. Available on Amazon. Kindle $4.99. Paperback $14.99. Search The Unmade M.F. Colton on Amazon. Link in bio. Follow for more fantasy content. Get The Unmade on Amazon https://www.amazon.com/s?K +unmade +m.f. Colton. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.